Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I have an Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. They sent me this highlighter by Thara in Zahara. It's pretty. And actually, that's a pretty glow. So I will be trying to use that. I chose Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I hear everyone talk about this and how good a product it is. So I'm going to give it this will be my next item I use. Right now I'm using Pharmacy's Deep Sweet, the 2% BHA. I chose a Tower 28 lip gloss. I love the color. It's called Pistachio. It looks like that. So we'll be giving that a go. What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. And this is in Oceana. It looks like that. I haven't opened it as of yet. So I'm excited to give this a try. They sent me Galactic, the Essential palette. Packaging looks like this, so I don't mean to blind you. And the colors are quite nice and neutral. It looks like this. I bought, it was on a deep discount, the Hangover RX Pillow Balm. It says infused with mineral-rich stardust. It says it's ultra-hydrating and nourishing lip treatment. Let's open this up and put it on. It is pillowy. I like that. Oh, and last but not least, I chose Natasha Denona's Hot Topic palette as I stick my thumb in it. Looks like that. These are shades that are from the Glam palette. This is the only reason why I still get Ipsy Boxycharm, because Natasha Denona comes out with palettes like this. Even though they're colors from palettes I already have, I like this size for travel. That way I don't have to pull apart my palettes, so to speak. You know what I mean? And then I pay $16 additional to get a luxury item. I forget the name of it. But this month's, they had quite a few different choices, but it was all skincare. So it was Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. And because it was Tatcha, I opted to take the skincare. Because Tatcha is very expensive. And it looks like this. And that's it for my Boxycharm haul. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video.